How your affiliates handle their accounts. So at the moment we are in the admin dashboard for you as the owner of this site. We know that we have an affiliate in here that has registered. So what I'd like to do now is show you what the affiliates see when they log in to your site. When your affiliate arrives at your site, they sign in. Let's log in. Now this affiliate has logged in, you're going to see that they can handle their account by clicking on the little profile image and selecting from the drop down. Inside the drop down they have an added field which is affiliate. From here they can handle and generate their affiliate links. Let's click affiliate. In the affiliate section of their site they have various settings such as overview, sales, payout and payment settings. The overview gives them an overview of visitors, sales, total commission and pending commissions that they have not been paid out for yet. The first thing an affiliate should do is go into their affiliate settings and go down to payment settings. Inside here they should enter their PayPal address. This way you can pay them to this PayPal email address. Any payouts from the affiliate section are found in the payout tab. Inside here we'll give them data on paid commissions, pending commissions and the total commissions they've made. They can also filter by date ranges. Today, yesterday, last 7 days, last 30, this month, last month, this year, last year, all time, or a custom range. Once they select these, they can also run a report. Next we have sales. Inside here will show a list of the sales that they have made, and they can filter this by the courses that they have an affiliate link for. This again can be filtered by a range of dates within here, and reports can be run out from here. Under overview, this is an area where they can generate their affiliate links. For instance, inside here we can generate an affiliate link to the root of the site. Please note that this is the root of the site and not to a particular course. This means that if someone uses this link and starts at the home page of the site, the affiliate will be paid on any courses that they buy within the site itself. Let's use this and I will demonstrate. If we copy this link, and I'll just go into incognito and paste this in here, you will see that the site has come up and you'll see at the top you have an affiliate link there. When we go to all courses, the affiliate link changes, but it is saved as a cookie, so it remembers. So if someone buys this using the original affiliate link, you will earn the commission from this course. You can also generate a link based on the course itself if you have an affiliate for that course. For instance, if I click this and I select this part of the URL, come back to our affiliate section and paste this inside here, I can create an affiliate link directly to that course. Let's click generate. Now you'll see that you have this directly to this course with the affiliate extension at the end. Let me copy this and go into incognito to demonstrate this. This is the course, and now within here you have your affiliate link at the end. One thing to remember about affiliate links, from this question mark where it says affiliate equals and then your unique number, you can use this with any URL. So for instance, if I was going to a support page, I could just add the extension at the end, which is the question mark affiliate equals and then your unique affiliate link. And this would now be a trackable affiliate link. Remember that these affiliate links are only for this site and don't apply to external sites not within this site. This is how your users can manage their affiliate dashboard. They can see an overview and generate links and see the commission. They have an affiliate ID. They can generate links. They can view all of the sales and commissions within a certain time range. They can go to the payouts and see if they've been paid, and they can check the payment settings within here to change and add their PayPal address. This is what your user sees as an affiliate to your site.